Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to Web Education's Daily Tech Tips. And in today's tech tip, you're learning how to use Zoom. Now, Zoom is a free video conferencing and virtual meeting software for your PC or Mac. It's a standalone application that you need to install to your PC or your Mac to use video conferencing and virtual meetings. Now, obviously, with everything going on in the world right now, there's really no better time for a video like this. So let's get right into it. So the first thing you need to do is go to the Zoom website and make sure that's zoom.us. I've seen a lot of fake websites going around, but this is the real website, zoom.us. And before you can download the Zoom application, you need to sign up on the website. So click on sign up in the top right side. And of course, they have to verify that you're above the age of 18. So put your date of birth there and then click on continue. And then now you'll see the actual sign up page. So there are a couple of ways you can sign up. You can use your work email, you can use Google, or you can use Facebook. I prefer to use email because I don't like connecting my accounts to other accounts that I might have. So enter your email address just like that, and then click on sign up. And of course, they're going to send a verification email to that email account. So you want to go there, find the email from Zoom, and then click on the activate account link, or simply copy and paste this back to your browser page. And now that you've verified your email account, they'll let you now create your profile and account. You can invite your colleagues immediately, or you could simply skip this part and come back to it later. And then click on start meeting now. So it's going to prompt you to download that application, and that's exactly what you're going to do. So click on save, and as you can see, it's downloading the application. As soon as it's done, I'll go to the folder where my application has been downloaded, double click on the installer file, and run, and allow Zoom to be installed on my computer. So sign in with your username and password, which means your email and password. And if it's your personal computer, you can choose to keep me signed in. So click on sign in. And that's generally the Zoom interface and how Zoom looks like. So every time you launch Zoom, this is where you're going to start as the first page. Now you can start a new meeting, you can join an ongoing meeting, you can schedule meetings, share screen. I'll be making follow-up videos for this Zoom application, how to do different things, and I'll be going into details about how to do specific things on Zoom. So you might want to subscribe not to miss those videos. Anyway, for now, we are starting a new meeting. So click on new meeting. So automatically it's going to access your webcam. And as you can see, this is now me and the way I look in Zoom. In the meeting. So the first thing you need to do is actually invite people into this meeting. As you can see, currently there's only one participant, that's me. So to invite anyone into this meeting, click on this icon in the top left corner and copy the URL. This is the invitation URL. So you want to copy that, and then you want to send it to people via email or WhatsApp or text message or whatever other messaging service that you use. And so that when they click on that link, and you also send them this password to be able to join this meeting. And then I also have a few other controls here. For instance, I can use this mute button to mute my voice in the meeting. And then you can also stop your own video. This does not stop the meeting. As you can see, the meeting is still ongoing, but then the other participants in this meeting will not be able to see me. And then you have security settings, you have manage participants. This is where you'll be able to see the list of all the people participating in the meeting. And then you have chat, where you can chat with your participants and have the chat settings. And then you can share your screen if you want to. And then you can also record that meeting if you want to. And then also use emojis to give reactions. And when you're done with your meeting, you can click on end meeting and then choose whether you want to leave the meeting yourself or end the whole meeting for everyone. Because you started this meeting, you can be able to end this meeting for all. So that's generally how to use Zoom. Now, like I said, I'll be making follow-up videos to get into detail about certain functions and features that I feel like they need more explanation. So you better subscribe for that. But for now, that's how to use Zoom. Thanks for watching. You can leave your comments and questions down in the comment section below the video, as well as the things you want me to talk about in follow-up videos. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until the next one, my name is Chris, and I'll talk to you guys soon.